Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to see if your move was brilliant on chess.com. So first thing you're going to need to do is open chess.com on your browser and then log into your account if needed. Once you're logged in, just tap on this chess.com at the top left and then go to learn. And here you can see this insights. Just have to tap on that to open and see the archive. Now from here, just go ahead and tap on this to view your insights. Only if your account is upgraded, but if you're not, then you can go ahead and tap on this player right here. This is the top layer of this chess.com. And then from here, you can see all his stats and the overall gameplay and all. So you can just go ahead and check all these insights of his gameplay. So just scroll to the bottom. Let's do that. Here's the tactics and pins, also the mates. So here's the moves. So here's where you can see the brilliant. So it's the total and the percentage. But if you really want to see your insights, like your own gameplay insights, then you'll have to upgrade to your plan. So from free trial, you can upgrade to gold or platinum. And you can also try this free trial. You can tap on this for 7 days. You can have the free trial, you can access that so that you can be able to see your insights and to see all the moves and archives. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!